So, you just want a simple way to capture the cool angle of your animation. Not a problem. Now, there's a lot of probably better ways to do this, but I'm just going to show you the most recent method that I found that works good enough for me. Basically, while you're in your character blueprint, you probably have this thing called a spring arm. Duplicate it, name it something like attack angle or whatever, take off inherent pitch, yaw, and roll, and you probably have to mess around with the rotation and position a little bit, but basically you want to put it wherever the cool parts are. For me, this is fine. And in your animation montage, add a new notify track, call it something like camera trigger, then right click on the timeline, new notify, and then name it something like trigger cam. And place it where you want the camera change to start. And then place another one where you want the camera change to go back to normal. Then in our character blueprint, we'll right click and create a new custom event and call it change camera angle. Drag out a flip flop, and from A, drag out an attach component to component. Then drag the follow camera onto the target and the camera boom attack into the parent. Then set all the location rules to keep world and weld simulated bodies. Then drag that into a move component to ease out, ease in, and determine how fast you want this to happen. In my case, I want it to last about 0.4 seconds. And force the shortest path, connect it like so, then duplicate the whole thing, but replace the camera boom attack with the normal camera boom. Connect it like so, and all this code says is basically, the first time it happens, move the camera to the cool angle. The second time this happens, move the camera back to normal. Now in the ABP Manny, create a new custom event called anim notify underscore and then exactly the name of your notify from the animation montage. In our case, we called it trigger cam, so that's what we're going to call it. Then you drag out the cast to third person character, drag out a get own an actor, and then from here drag out the name of your method from the third person character blueprint. You're done. So whenever the animation montage triggers the notify, it will switch the camera to the cool angle and then switch back on the second notify. Now technically, if the animation gets interrupted, the camera would not go back to normal. We could fix this with a notify state, but I'll show you how to do that in the next video. For now, this is kind of the gist of it. So, hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.